issue. So when you are able to see my screen, please let me know. So first you need to tell me what's your problem statement.
My problem statement is I want to develop an end-to-end engineering process. I want to automate an end-to-end engineering process. Right from code writing.
SDLC,
Yeah,
software development lifecycle. You want to automate this.
automate. From developer point of view.
SDLC. Azure MCP, am I right? Azure MCP, we have language C sharp, C
C
sharp
sharp.
.NET,
C sharp.
.NET Core, right?
Yes.
And GitHub. Okay. ये तो high level हो गया. This is high level. We have now. We need to tell them what's our expectation there. What is problem statement? For SDLC steps for or manual time consuming the time consuming like 12, 12, 12 each day. Am I right?
Yes.
12 per minute each day. No, I think so. 12 is a later point. First, we need to
Brainstorm.
analyze this. That's it. Deployment. Okay. These are your tasks, am I right?
Yes.
Jira R means we are using Jira or Azure DevOps.
Azure DevOps.
Azure DevOps for management, ticket
Yeah.
or item
Yeah.
management.
Yeah.
Okay, so here Azure, not this, with the cloud. You are not using Copilot. You are using cloud. Am I right?
Yes. Yeah.
So, uh, Copilot, Copilot, Copilot. Okay. So anything else I missed?
So in this, like if new branch is master branch is, I mean, so it should like first take the latest from the master branch.
Okay, okay. Let me know. Let me
Yeah. Then check
rephrase.
out. Yeah. Then check out the development branch.
Okay. So basically, okay, no worries. This is fine. We will,
Yeah.
you can say, I will take that forward. No worries. So, let me create a new project for you.
Deepak, I have one more say here.
Yes, yes.
Like it should understand the architecture also. And architecture wise, I mean, see, there can be many approaches for doing something, right?
Yes,
But
yes, why not?
yeah, so there can be generic approach. Generic approach in the sense it should not be like it should be it should follow some architecture patterns. Uh,
Okay, okay. I understand. I understand your requirement. That's why I'm doing everything in front of you, so that you can understand the process. Okay. So that you can learn how you can proceed with these things. Okay. So, please post, so as per the understanding of this, my current follow the most manual. The company currently follow the mostly manual development focus software development lifecycle. It delivery slow, repetitive, individual developer. The current role include requirement analysis, implement planning, coding, unit testing, code review, based QA automation. The objective to build a AI automation platform using the Microsoft and Azure ecosystem with Cloud as its primary role model instead of a GitHub Copilot. Okay, this is required, am I right?
yeah, and PR raise point we have forgotten. I guess pull request raise.
No, we can do. No worries. Developer understanding requirement prepare, write application code, unit test, perform a support code review, and create a playlist. This. So, okay. Whatever we missed, we will improve that. No worries. The challenge. So propose solution this, plan this, build require the validation, pull the request creation. You understand?
Yeah.
So expected role of each technology. Cloud will work on a main AI reasoning and coding assistant. Okay. It may be responsible for analyzing requirement, identifying missing this, and into technical tasks, generate ASP code, generate unit test, code review, generate a playwright test scenarios. Okay,
Yes.
build and test failure. The load is being selected and shared properly, but it will work with the micro developer tool through API, MCP server, and Azure MCP. Load with the controlled access of Azure resources and operations. Possible indeed. Reading Azure resources, accepting these things. Am I right? So that means if you can read if cloud can read the instruction, then you can move ahead for another thing. Am I right?
Correct.
And this is the
Yes.
things. So I want means first quickly let me copy this so that and share this code with you. You can quickly go through that, and after that we will move ahead for a next step. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
because we need to focus on a one step at a time. If we are not focusing on a planning, then later point of time definitely we will means face so many problems. Okay,
Right.
so right now I'm working on a multiple projects
Okay.
and supporting multiple things. Plus, the and whenever you require, you can connect with me because we have a baseline with us. Am I right?
Right. Right. Yes. So can we connect tomorrow maybe for this?
Yes, yes.
Or
Why not? Why not? As I
uh,
told you, if I have a time in the morning, I have a time. We can connect.
okay.
Otherwise, on morning is my time.
Okay.
But
Okay.
but otherwise on Saturday and the Sunday I'm outside. But in morning I am always free for this time. Okay, so just let me share this with you so that you can check that. And if something is missing, please. This
I
year,
will update.
this year,
What?
this year email ID, am I right?
Yes. Web 30. Yeah.
Okay. Please go through this quickly so that we can move ahead for this.
Okay. Okay.
It's shared with you.
Yes.
Please
Received.
share your screen and start this and going through this book.
Uh, okay. Deepak, can we do it from tomorrow? If it's
Mm,
okay.
because we dedicated for today only for this. Okay, no worries.
Uh,
Okay, no worries. We can connect tomorrow at the same time. Okay.
okay. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks for.
Well.